Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It is Bill with Competition Cars, and we've got 1 day left on Bring a Trailer on this 1969 Olds 98 Town Sedan, Rocket 455 engine. I want to do this quick video. I bought the, I would like to put the correct stickers back on the car, so I've got the Rocket 455 sticker for the air cleaner, the Keep Your GM sticker, the caution fan was there. I've got the emission sticker coming. I don't know what's taking so long. It should have been here 2 days ago. I tracked it and it says it's en route for delivery. So I was hoping to do that, have that added before I did this last video, but we're running out of time. So just want to go over the engine bay one more time. Very nice, very clean, tidy engine bay. This car is at a great number right now. It's only at like $9,800. Looking to get some more bids, but I'm going to sell this car. I brought it to sell. So, you know, I think we should another couple of bids, we should be good to go. But there it is, guys, looking good, standing tall. We try to make everything as correct as possible. We are not here restoring cars, but we're just trying to bring them back to as close to their former glory as possible. So there's what we got. It's very eye-appealing, very clean. And there's the rest of the car, standing tall, looking great. So have a great day, guys. You'll see this on YouTube. It's on Bring a Trailer being auctioned off right now. 1 day left, bid's $9,800. Need a few more bids, but my intention is to sell this car. So there it is. Check it out. Have a great day.